Hey.
Hi.
You came home with some things.
I did. Some things came to the post office.
What things?
Well,
that can be talked about.
There are Christmas presents that arrived in the post office. And then
well, I wasn't talking about post office things. I was talking about e-bike things.
Yes.
Yes.
That came too. The caboose and the pegs came.
Well, get off the couch and let's go install them.
I'm tired.
What day is it?
Day 15.
15?
10 days till Christmas.
All right, let's do it.
Okay.
Oh, so I'm going to hand the camera to you.
Okay.
Because I'm just going to go ahead and take the parts out and get them open and whatnot. And you can do a quick tour of the new decorations we put up. We did end up putting them up late last night. So.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we have like this garland and we have that tree. And the kids have put stickers on the windows, which some of them are staying.
Are you doing the tour?
No, you're going to do the new stuff.
Okay.
Which is over that way.
Okay.
And outside.
Okay.
And then when you're done, I will meet you outside and we'll put the stuff on the bike and give it a shot.
Sounds good.
Good?
We moved the snowflake to the front because the front needed some more color. We have big lights along the front. There's a little tree here. Brian already showed all this stuff. But we added the stockings. The elves are still down there, hiding. But they have a good view of the littles while they're sleeping. I think that's all we added out in here. So let's go outside and look. I forgot we put up the advent calendar and it's like super cute. It has all the players for the nativity. And on the last day we get to put up baby Jesus. That's the kid's favorite one to put. So we have our little popcorn bucket there.
Are we leaving that out?
I mean, I like it there.
I'm afraid it's going to walk away though.
Okay, so maybe not.
And I don't know if it should get rained on because it does have batteries.
Okay.
But I think it's fine. We can manage that.
Okay, and then we have, we'll show you guys more tonight, but we have lights.
You took a nice photo last
I did. I took a nice photo. And there's lights going underneath here. There's the snowflake that's now in the front. And Mickey and Olaf are getting blown around. I don't know if this is where I want them to be, so we didn't stake them down. But Wreath's hanging on. Yay, Wreath! If you don't know the Wreath saga, go back to what, day 2? Day 1?
Wreath was, yeah, I think it was day 2.
Okay.
Yeah. I have a development about the caboose.
Okay.
Okay, so bikes are on the rack right now, and I have them nice and adjusted. But this is
Wide.
one of the handles for the caboose. Right, there's going to be one in front here.
Yep.
And there's going to be another one here. And then there'll be bars, and the littles will sit in between them. And then they'll have foot pegs down there.
Okay.
So, before I even took this off of here, I actually thought ahead.
Good for you.
And I was like, I wonder if this is going to work on the rack. This bolt's on here. And as you can see, it's hitting my bike.
Mm-hmm.
So, what I want to do, and what I need your help with first, is I'm going to leave this here. And I think I'm going to loosen the brackets for this one, and we'll just slide my bike that way a couple inches.
Okay.
And I think weight-wise, it'll be fine, because this one's hanging out real far on the right, and that'll push more weight to the left.
All right.
And then it should make clearance for this. And it'll bring the handlebars closer together, so a cover will fit a little bit better.
Yeah.
And I have a new cover on the way that is made for bikes facing different directions. That should be here tomorrow to a nearby locker. So let's go ahead and loosen these.
All right.
And then see if we can slide it with the bike on there. If not, I'll just have to lift it off and we'll slide it.
Okay.
Okay, rack is sorted. I think we have those in a good position. We've got the caboose installed. We've got the foot pegs installed. Ben is excited. Brooke is chewing on... You got them chewy things.
I did, because they were chewing things I didn't want them to chew.
So now Brooke came out and she said, I'm Dr. Strange because I have the green one. That's my nerd girl.
Yeah, okay, so how do I know where it is?
Keep going.
No.
Coming up on 40. All right, so
Oh
we
my
got the
gosh.
caboose installed. And pretty straightforward install, actually. You just bolt it on the front and back, and then you add the 4 bars. Little foot pegs. Go like that. We'll see if they're big enough. We might have to switch to running boards. We'll see. My bike is out. Oh, we don't have batteries. I need to pull the batteries out. How long is that going to take you?
This is going to take me like a half an hour.
You're at 40.
Almost there.
Yeah, you're getting there. I didn't want to pull out the electric one because
that would be too easy.
it wouldn't be. I'd have to like hook it up to a car engine, and it's kind of overkill for this. So
It's not.
get your workout.
Let me do it. Oh, go for it.
Oh yeah, can she even get it all the way down? All the way down.
Oh, let me do it.
All the way down.
Let me do it.
There you go.
I can do it.
That's going to take a while. I have to hand this off to you for a minute.
Yep.
My bike and the wagon go on the back of the RV.
Right.
Or they were on the back of the RV. They're eventually going to go right here. I'm going to install a hitch receiver and they're going to go right here. The third bike, the white folding bike that was Erin's original bike and is now Tara's bike, is in here. And this is where it will travel. So, just gotta...
Tara.
Round.
Right, so I have it in here, folded up. It fits sideways just fine. I have it strapped down at the bottom and the top to keep it from moving basically anywhere. And we've driven around with this here quite a bit, and it has not moved.
Right.
So these things are interesting. I found these at Lowe's. It's just like a little carabiner with like a ratchet pull, and you can just kind of release it like that. So it's an interesting little device. Not totally in love with it. I think I'm going to try and find a shorter, maybe like rubber strap, like ratchet strap of some sort, because I don't need 10 feet of string to do this. But I'll keep these around for other loads. Like we do like to ride our bikes like over to Publix and get food or take stuff to the mailing center and stuff like that. So longer straps would be good for that. But now it's loose and just...
Yeah.
Oh, just muscle it out.
Never need to do our
Mine has a headlight?
What's wrong?
Mine has a headlight?
Yeah. They all have headlights.
What? Because whenever we get lost, find our way back home with the headlights. But
Don't worry about this weather.
I think because of how this is like on the kickstand here, you are gonna have to put the kids into the bike
Okay.
while I am like on it.
Okay, can we do a test real quick?
Sure?
Ben, can you... Well, you're going to ride in front, Brooke?
Yes.
Can you climb under here?
Not with her helmet on.
Can you try? Turn your head sideways.
This is not a thing.
okay.
Don't know
No?
why.
Okay. Well, I was just checking. You can do it without the helmet. But can you get all the way up on there?
Yep. Can
Okay.
you hold my helmet?
Okay, you get situated.
I just don't want to have to load them and unload them every time. Like if I'm not around and you want to go for a ride, you know?
Okay.
Yeah, put your foot on the foot peg and then pull yourself up.
There you go. So they can get on. And it's still on the kickstand.
Yeah.
So put your helmet on. God, it's going to rain any second now.
It's gonna be fine. We're gonna outrun the rain.
How are we going to outrun it?
We're gonna do it.
I guess we can go down to Publix and get under the awning. Like right in front of the store, it's covered.
Yeah.
So is that where we're headed?
Do you want to go there or do you want to go visit Prince?
Well, friends don't have shelter from the rain. Okay, so
You gotta put.
feet are on pegs. Nice. Feet on pegs. Okay. And you got plenty of places to put your hands.
Yes.
Helmets are on. All right, so go ahead and... I really want you to be able to do this by yourself. You're good. There you go.
Oh my gosh,
Do you
it's
want
heavy.
to? Do you want to turn it before you're on it, so you're not aimed towards the RV?
A little bit.
You're
No,
good.
it's bad. It's easier to do this.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going.
Okay. Wow. I have no idea where Mommy went. Oh, they're coming this way. Okay.
How do
Boy.
you do this?
It's tricky. I'll do it. Wow. Look at this silly
I
entourage.
have two very vocal backseat drivers.
Yeah?
Oh, stopping. Woo.
Two very vocal back. What are they doing?
Mommy, go
So
slower. You're
much
going too
fun.
fast. Mommy, slow down on the turns. Mommy, don't get too close to the edge.
Y'all better just let Mommy drive.
That's so fast. Don't get
Friday. I don't think I'm ready to go to Publix, but we can go and drive around the
Okay. All right, let me put this camera away and we'll switch to the GoPro.
Okay.
I got a little afraid of the rain. I don't know if it's actually going to rain, but we don't want to, you know, be half a mile away from the RV and have it start pouring. The current cover doesn't really cover. We have all three. We have all three next to each other. And when we had it this way in the other site, without the caboose installed right there, it worked okay. This cover is definitely not big enough with that having the caboose. So I've got another cover on the way. Should be here tomorrow. And we'll see. Probably gonna have to do 2 in 1, maybe. But let's get inside out of the rain. You wanna go for a ride?
Victor!
What's he doing?
He's like, yeah,
What are you doing? Oh, stepping on your dog.
You said ride, and he was like,
Oh, that is one of his words. Well, can you take him for a walk? Oh gosh, what are you doing? You wanna go for a walk? Tara will take you for a walk. Tell him. Tell him.
go for a walk? Yeah.
Well, that's his pre-walk stretch.
It's like I'm doing another one. Do your stretch again. Do your stretch again. Do it again.
So Tara's gonna take the
there
dog
he
for a walk. Oh, there he goes. Tara's gonna take the dog for a walk. And it is not raining. It is going to be dark soon, so we'll go for a quick ride just to maybe do a full lap around the campground. How many thumbs up do you give this?
1,000.
1,000?
1,000 million 100,000.
Two
I like Jane.
Okay, so we're gonna go 2,000 thumbs up. Tara, how many thumbs up do you give electric bikes? What do you think? Of the
It's
bike?
heavy. And there are a bunch of backseat drivers, but
yeah.
I think I will get more used to it.
I think they like it. They were having fun.
Yeah?
They'll get, well, I know, I'm
You're making
fidgeting
noise.
with the lens cap. Let me just put it in my pocket. Yeah, this terrible lighting is brought to you by our awning lights.
Yes.
And
The creaking is brought to you by our door
haunted
that
house
moves
of an
and stuff.
RV.
Thank you.
Yeah, I need to, they're over there, yeah.
I would
so
just go in through Party of Six's RV, like walk in through there.
Yep, and we've got friends coming over for pizza right now. They're
Yep.
right there.
They're right there.
So we're going to wrap it up for the day.
Yep.
Bikes are a big success.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So caboose is good. Foot pegs are good.
Yep.
We just need to hopefully the cover that I have coming tomorrow works a little bit better.
Ooh, hopefully.
Because
it's a little tight right now.
They don't all fit.
No.
They fit. The one cover worked great for your bike and my bike.
Yes,
on the
but
back,
not for all of them.
But not for all three. So we'll see how that goes.
Yep.
So thanks for watching. This is day 15.
Day 15.
Alrighty.
See you tomorrow.
Vlogmas marches on.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.